lovely place, such a lovely face. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Such a lovely thing, you can find it here. Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Swordfingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson. This is part 2 of my lessons on Hotel California as done by Felder. Standard tuning capo on the 5th fret, okay. So this is the chorus section, okay. So when you've done the couple of verses, you end up coming out of the second verse with the A minor 7th bit and the B7. Then we have a lead up to a C chord, okay, so it's second on the 5th, first on the 4th, second on the 4th, 4th on the 4th. Okay, second on the 5th, first on the 4th, second on the 4th, and 4th on the 4th. Okay, so C chord, welcome to the Hotel California. Then we've got a little start, C to G, welcome to the Hotel California. Now we've got this little riff which is optional but it's there, okay, so I'll show it to you. And it's like a double stop thing. Okay, so I'm playing it 3rd fret up from the capo on the 2nd string and 4th fret up from the capo on the 3rd string, 4th fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, double stop, 2 strings together, and then we go up to play the 5th fret from the capo on the 3rd and the 2nd together, and back to the first one again. So it's okay. You can use a bar to do that if you like, because they're on the same fret. 5th fret of the 3rd and the 2nd strings with your 3rd finger if you want, or you can use 2 fingers, whichever is more comfortable for you. So that's the first bit, and then we go up to the 7th fret from the capo, and you play again same fret on the 3rd string and the 2nd string. Again, you can use 2 fingers or a bar, and you play those 2 strings back down to the 5th fret and the 3rd and the 2nd string together, and back to the first one again, 3rd on the 2nd, 4th on the 3rd. So it's okay, do it slowly. Or you could use a bar like I said. Okay, so that's the first, so from the beginning, let's go. Welcome to the Hotel California. Okay, now we go into a B7, such a lovely place. Then we go to an E minor and then build up on an E minor. And that's it. So you strike the E minor, then you play the 2nd on the bottom E, the 3rd on the bottom E, open A string, 5th string, 2nd on the 5th, and into a C chord, 2nd half of the chorus, okay? So far, from the beginning of it, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely face, such a lovely face. Then we go into the 2nd half. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. C to G again. California. And the 2nd riff is this. So I'm playing more double stops. That's now playing the 7th fret from the capo on the 3rd string and the 8th fret from the capo on the 2nd string, using my 1st and 2nd fingers, and I'm playing those 2 strings together, and when I play them I'm hammering up to the 9th fret on the 3rd with my 3rd finger. So, and you do that twice, and then you play those 2 on their own. So, okay. And the final bit is this. It's the 5th fret from the capo on the 5th string to to the 4th string on the 5th fret. Then you play that 4th again, so it's, and then you go to the 5th fret on the 3rd, and then down to the 4th fret on the 3rd. So it's like, you can use that sort of shape. It's like 5. If you bar all, you could bar all 3 strings on the 5th fret from the capo, if you like, with one finger. Do the 5th string, 4th string, then the 4th string, 3rd string, and then go down to the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Sorry, that's all right. Or you could use that sort of thing, or you could just do however you wish. But that's it. It's 5th fret, 5th string to the 4th string on the 5th fret, then the 4th fret again, the 4th string again, sorry, 3rd string, 5th fret, and then down to the, so, okay, however you wish to finger it, okay, and then back to this time, after you've done that riff, there it goes, sorry, and you go to A minor 7th, where it goes, so any time of year you can find B7, okay, so the whole thing, and then you're into the, again, the chord sequence of the verse. So once again, very slowly, the whole thing. Welcome to the Hotel California, such a lovely place, such a lovely face, plenty of room at the Hotel California, such a time of year, you can find it here. And off you go again, okay? So there's the chorus for you, okay? As simple as I can make it. Okay, now the other thing I'd like to show you, or try to show you, is when you play the intro, obviously we're playing it in A minor, as Don Felder does, a capo on the 5th fret. So when you've gone through that sequence, that bit, you know, the usual chord sequence, you do it once on your own sort of thing, and then you do it again, but joining in on the second one is this little second guitar. Okay, so I'd just like to show you that. If you've got a second guitarist with you, no capos, just standard tuning, okay. Starting on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, open 4th, 2nd on the 4th, open 4, 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, so we have 3rd on the 5th, open 4th, 2nd on the 4th, open 4th, 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, and the second phrase is hit the 2nd on the 5th again, 3rd on the 5th, open 4th, open A string. So it's, so from the beginning, so we just go through that again, 3rd on the 5th, open 4th, 2nd on the 4th, open 4th, 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, 3rd on the 5th, open 4th, open A string, 5th. Once again, slowly. Bit of pause, and you play the open 5th again, 2nd on the 5th, 3rd on the 5th, 3rd on the 6th, open bottom E string, 3rd on the 5th, so let's try and go all the way through that again. Right, open A again, 2nd on the 5th, 3rd on the 5th, 3rd on the 6th, open 6th, 3rd on the 5th, to end it, open 4th, 2nd on the 4th, 3rd on the 4th, back to the 2nd on the 4th. Okay, so I'll play that really, really slowly. Open 4th, open 5th, open 5th, 2nd, 3rd, 3rd on the 6th, open 6th, 3rd on the 5th, open 4th, 2nd on the 4th, 3rd on the 4th, 2nd on the 4th. Okay, so got it. Hopefully you have, and that should fit with your chords on the that we've learnt in lesson 1. Okay, so once again. And there you have it, boys and girls. Well, hopefully those 2 bits will help you complete the song.